marks. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for all your support. Today I'll be making another type of face mask. The fabric I'm going to use 8.5 by 15 inches, 8.5 inches, 15 inches, 5.5 inches wire, elastic 6 inches, 6 inches. This is the wrong side of the fabric. I'll fold ½ inch in, another ½ inch. I'll stitch on it. I'll do the same on this side. I've stitched it. I'll turn it to the right side. This is the right side. If you want, you can fold it this way. It will overlap by ½ inch. Or you can fold it this way. It will overlap by ½ inch. By ½ inch. I'll pin it. It will overlap by ½ inch. So I'm going to stitch the elastic. I'll fix the elastic this way. Inside, I'll put it inside. I will stitch it on ½ inch seam allowance. I will do the same on this side. I've stitched it. If you want, you can come in 1 inch and stitch it. 1 inch and stitch it. Or you leave it the way it is. So I'm going to fix the wire. This is the middle. So I'll go and stitch it to hold the wire. I've stitched it. So what I'll do next is to pleat it. Just plait it, no measurement for the plait. I will press it. After that, I will top stitch. I will stitch on it to hold the plait. I've pressed it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.